Hello everyone, welcome to Theo's fascinating programs. Today in this video we're going to learn how to install MySQL in your Windows operating system. So don't skip the video, watch till end. So let's switch on how to install. So before installing, you have to download MySQL software. I'll give you in a video description. I have already downloaded. It is there in my computer. It is there in my E drive. I'll just open my folder where I have downloaded MySQL and Python. So I just have a version called 5.0. I'll just open the setup. So if I double click my setup, you can find there will appear a wizard. So this is a wizard. So click next. Once you click next, it will go to the next window. So you can find there is an option called typical, complete, custom. So if you use for a general purpose, you go with the typical. If you want a full installation, go with complete. If you are an advanced user, go with a custom. So I just go with the typical, general use. So next, I just click on next. So just give install. Once you give install, it will start to install. So the installation process is taking place. So let's wait for a moment. So it will get installed. Once it gets installed, you can find the status over here. So it will copies all the files whichever it requires, and removing all the backup files. And you can find there is a MySQL enterprise wizard. So click next. You just go ahead with this wizard and just click next. So once you give finish, so you can find, once you give finish, you can find a configure MySQL instant configuration wizard will appear. So click on next. So detailed configuration or standard configuration, whichever you require. So you can choose those configuration. I just go ahead with the detailed configuration. I just click on next. And which type of configuration, like developer machine or whatever you want, you can choose it. Now choose the database usage, multi-functional database or transactional database or non-transactional database. So accordingly you chooses, and you give a next, and it asks for a decision supports or other transactional processing or manual processing. And this is the port number. If you want to connect with TCP or networking, you just have a note, and you go ahead with the standard character set, and just click on an option include binary directory in Windows path and click next. So it will click next. It will ask your current root password. I know what is my current root password, so I'll just give my current root password. I have a password, so I know my password. I'll just give it. And you what new password you require, so give your password. I just give a password as 12345 6. So the same password, you just make it as a confirm and click next. So once you click next, click on execute, and you can see the execution processing configurations takes place. So once it is finished, click on finish. So once when it is finished, now you can check. Now you can click on start, and you can go with the MySQL, and you can choose a MySQL and MySQL command line. So it is asking for a password. So we have given password 12345. I just give it. So this is how you have to install and work on your MySQL. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.